The best gaming desk ensures that you are gaming in comfort. When choosing a desk for your gaming setup, not only a wooden, or worse, glass, desk will do. This is especially true if you've got 2 or more monitors, a large desktop PC, and a complete kit out with a collection of peripherals. You will need something that is sturdy and prioritizes your comfort. Best desks are specially designed to withstand the weight of a sturdy gaming rig, come with features that can help you in your gaming experience, and help maintain a stable condition. So prefer ergonomics. And shoulder pain is reduced even after prolonged gaming. At Best Advisor Tech Lab we have reviewed many gaming desks, out of which we have made a list of 5 best gaming desks whose link is given in the description, from where you can buy the gaming desk of your choice, then go to the gaming desk. Are growing. Number 5. Sleepmax Gaming Desk. The game desk with all-metal T-shaped legs and original steel frame structure supports up to 260 pounds, bringing an enhanced experience to every gamer. Plus the 63-foot WX23.6D carbon fiber desktop and full mouse pad provide ample space for your gaming monitors, PC, gaming keyboards and other gaming gear. And gaming PC desks with pre-drilled holes for easy assembly. By following the instructions and assembled step by step, the gaming desk can be installed in a short time. Number 4. Waleaf Vitesse Gaming Computer Desk. Constructed by a premium density fiberboard and a coated steel frame, ensuring stability during play. You can have 2 monitors here. This desk 55.1-inch L x 23.6 W extra large desktop provides more space. The mouse pad covers the entire surface, so there's no need to worry about running out of surface space or your mouse and keyboard being uneven in height. The last thing you want is to spill water on all your expensive electronics, which is why this desk comes with a cup holder. It is within an arm's reach and can fit small and large cups. Number 3. Mr. Ironstone Shaped Computer Gaming Desk. Hassle-free and time-saving installation for gaming desks. Mr. Ironstone supplies each large gaming desk with detailed assembly instructions and necessary tools. Easy enough to assemble within 35 minutes. This upgraded computer desk is more durable and strong with better load capacity. The oversized desktop is smooth and sleek and won't scratch even if you move the mouse quickly. Also, Ironstone Desk Gaming Table is a great gift and a great choice for home decoration. What's more, there's a 3-year limited warranty and 24/7 after-sales customer support. And this desk is also particularly easy to clean. And food residue, watermarks or dust can be easily removed by gently wiping with a towel to leave it looking brand new like the first day. Number 2. Couchmaster Couch Gaming Desk. The Couchmaster Gaming Desk impresses with its ergonomic design and its premium quality. With its functional features and 6 USB 3.0 ports, it provides maximum comfort. The compact cushions are made of high-quality memory foam and covered with a plush and washable suede-like cover. This allows cushions to be vacuum-packed, saving resources and the environment. The desktop is also made from recycled plastic materials. Intelligent design, Sycon Superscript 2 has 6 USB 3.0 ports to connect all the required input devices and charge them on the fast charging port right where you sit. At the same time, the internal cable management ensures a clean appearance. Number 1. EUREKA Ergonomic Z1S Pro Gaming Desk. The EUREKA Ergonomic Gaming Desk is designed with extremely stable and sturdy Z-shaped legs. And this gamer desk comes with a great package that includes a handy cup holder, headphone hook, controller stand, underdesk socket holder and large mouse pad. Dual cable management holes keep your location clean. It is perfect for use as a computer desk in the office, home bedroom, study room, large PC gaming desk, writing desk or study desk. So, which gaming desk do you like? Please tell us in the comments. If you have benefited from this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.